Alright, real quick, I'm gonna talk about my wide body kit comparison to what a stock. Well, I mean, this car is far from stock, but you can tell on the side the curves of the body, the front fenders, the side seals, the hips on the back versus the factory heel seals and fenders and the curve in the back. You can tell it's very noticeable right there from that angle compared to, golly, I got some hips. And of course the fenders up front. Also the front bumper is very, very different, including the chin spoiler there. But I'm very happy with my car overall. This is a badass car though. I'm not as fast as he is yet, and I don't have a parachute on the back, which I'll probably get a ticket if I get one. But from the back you can also see the differences on the wide body kit that I have. I love my car. Here I am at Wanna Go Fast out of Ocala, Florida, 2018. Not participating, just a spectator. Hanging out with Cabo Motorsports and Toy Garage, I believe it's called. They had a badass ACR. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoy that. I'll see you around.